I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Light winds and moisture in the air once again providing favorable conditions for fog and freezing fog to form tonight through tomorrow morning. On the backside of departing low pressure, some light rain and freezing rain still possible tonight from north central Kansas to up to eastern Nebraska. As high pressure builds onto the plains, sunshine returns tomorrow and Friday to west and some central areas, while clouds linger farther to the east. Highs warm slightly to the mid-30s to the low 40s for tomorrow and Friday. Northern Kansas may see some light rain and snow for Friday through Friday night, with an area of low pressure passing to our south. Sunshine returns to all areas this weekend through Tuesday. Those daytime highs warming from the 40s on Saturday to the upper 40s to the 50s as we head towards Tuesday. In the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures continue for Monday through the first 6 days of February in Nebraska, Kansas, and nearly all of the U.S. Near normal precipitation is predicted for Nebraska and Kansas the early half of next week before a return to above normal precipitation late next week through February 6th. Key weather factors driving the markets include heavy rain across the south central U.S., rain becoming more isolated across central Brazil, and dry weather in Argentina. Heavy rain across the southern U.S. continues for several days before it comes to an end on Saturday. Additional rainfall could total 2 to 8 inches from the central Gulf Coast up to the central and southern Appalachians, extending as far north as the Ohio Valley. The heavy rain should greatly reduce drought coverage and intensity from the Mississippi Delta into the Tennessee Valley, but could lead to some flash flooding and river flooding throughout the south. Dry weather prevails the next 5 days across the northern plains and far upper Midwest. In central Brazil, widespread rain in the past few days could become more isolated the second half of this week, allowing for harvest progress of early planted soybeans. For still maturing soybeans in central Brazil, more rainfall is needed. The rain would also increase the soil moisture for central Brazil's planting of second crop corn. Southern Brazil rainfall also is starting to trend below normal through next week as widespread rain moves farther to the north. Argentina's drier weather that started last week is likely to continue through this weekend. Corn and soybean conditions in Argentina are likely to decline as soil moisture decreases. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.